Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lannie. If you are new here, welcome. So on this particular day, I wanted to do something different with my kitchen, add just a little pizzazz to it and to help protect the paint because the paint is super thin, and so we wanted to add a backsplash. So the first thing we did was obviously take measurements of the area that we were going to add the backsplash in. We went to Lowe's to see what they had on hand, and as you can see, they have an array of different patterns and textures as far as their tile. However, they're a little bit pricey. Not only is the tile pricey, but the materials that we would need in order to complete this task would make this DIY cost a little bit more than what we would have wanted to spend. So we decided to go with the peel and stick route. Now they don't have the variety that the regular ceramic does. However, they're still pretty cute. So we thought we could make it work. We also went and got a few other materials that we thought we would need for this project just to make things a little bit easier for us. So once again, this is how the kitchen is looking. As I stated before, the paint is super thin, so it doesn't have any coating or anything on it at all. So we're good to go. We can go ahead and start putting on our peel and stick tile. So this is the design we decided to go with. I thought it wouldn't clash with our granite countertops and still give the kitchen a nice pop that I wanted. So these are the instructions on the back: clean, peel, stick, and overlap, and cut if need be, which we definitely did, especially around the outlets and things like that. So speaking of outlets, that's the first thing we're going to go ahead and do, is take off the coverings for that. So now hubby is just going to go ahead and place these tiles on the wall. So as you can see, when we get to a space that has an outlet covering, we just used a dry erase marker to mark where we want it to cut. And we use dry erase because it's just easy to clean. It just wiped right off of this material. And then Dion just used a box cutter to help him cut out that rectangle. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. So now we're just going to go ahead and take off the back of this tile here and make sure that we overlap it and stick it onto the wall, just like so. So yeah, that's basically what we're going to be doing throughout the video. I'm just going to be his helper and take the tiles out of the package and take the backing off, helping him measure when he needs to measure something or cut something, helping him make sure that things are centered and smooth, and he's going to be the one to place the stickers. I had so much fun doing this project with my husband. I just kind of sprung this on him last minute and said, you know, what I wanted, and he was here for it, and he was ready to help me out. Well, I ended up just helping him because he did most of the work. But I just love him. He's such an awesome husband. So shout out to you, Dion, and thank you so much for doing this little project with me. So once we made our way to the end of the kitchen, we came right back around so we can add more tile to make this look complete. We ended up using a total of 42 tile stickers for this project. I also wanted to mention that I highly suggest that you do a lot of shopping around if you want this to be very, very budget friendly. Just don't go to one store. You can look online. Just do your homework on what the prices are for each place and just go from there. All right, you guys, so this is how the kitchen is looking now with all of the tile placed. This took us roughly 6 hours. We did have a lot of cutting to do around the outlets and above the sink, but nevertheless, I enjoyed doing this project with my husband. I think it came out awesome. It's exactly what I wanted. I keep going back and forth to my kitchen just so I can look at that backsplash. I really, really love it, you guys. So if you're looking to do a little DIY or a little pick-me-up for your kitchen, definitely look into doing a backsplash. Just a little pop of color, texture, or design can just bring so much life into your kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. That really does help my channel, you guys. Share this video with a friend and subscribe if you would love to see more from me in the future. As always, I appreciate every single one of you for watching. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.